guys, welcome to my channel. So this tutorial is all about linking your first page to several pages. I mean linking your first HTML document to multiple HTML document. Okay, so that's the tutorial all about linking your HTML document to several HTML document. Now let's get started. Okay, let's start from the scratch. Well, of course, when you edit an HTML document, you may open this notepad. Okay, notepad. So, okay, this is notepad. So let's get started. Let's start from our first HTML document. So, well, of course, we put an HTML tag. Every time you open a tag, you need to close a tag. Okay. So this is an opening tag HTML, then closing tag HTML with the forward slash. Then next you put some body, okay, close, and then I copy, and then well, of course you need to close body. Okay, now this is my first page. So this is our first page. This is my first page. Okay, now we put some I want to delete this one first. Okay, I mean rename. Okay, sample one. Okay, so this is our first HTML document. We have HTML body. Now we're going to save our first page. File. Well, of course, if you save your HTML document, you go to File and Save As, and make sure you have your file name. Okay, first name. I know first page. Okay, so this is my file name, first page .html. Okay, don't forget the extension .html so that your HTML document will function properly. Okay, this is your first page .html document. So make sure that when you enter your file name, make sure that there's no space between your file name so that it will be easy for the HTML document to access your file. Okay, then we're going to save this one. Well, of course, I always save on the desktop because you can easily access your HTML document when your file is on your desktop. Okay, so the file is first page.html, and we're going to save this one and save. Where's that first page? Okay, this is my first page. So we're going to open our page. Okay, so napapansin nyo, dito siya sa left corner. So this is the resource. The uniform resource locator, our URL for this HTML document. So papansin nyo dito, we have the URL here. So this is my first page. Now, gagawin natin, say bakit nasa left side. So ang gagawin nyo is edit your notepad. Well, of course, if you accidentally close your notepad, okay, wait lang, I'm going to check okay. If you accidentally close your notepad and your browser, you can always edit your notepad. Paano natin ma-edit say? Okay, just locate your web page, HTML document, and then just right click and open with notepad. Okay, again, if you delete your notepad or accidentally close your notepad, just right click your web page, your browser, this one, your HTML document, right click and open with notepad. Okay, now we'll put some color on our first page. Okay, body. So napapansin niyo kasi dito, nasa left side and then nasa upper portion ng ating text. So gagawin natin, lagyan natin sa center and then lagyan natin ng kulay ang ating first page. So if you want to insert color on your background, you just click here, then space, type BG color. Ibig sabihin yan is background color equals, well, of course, the value of your color. Lagay nyo sa loob ng teng-teng. Teng-teng guys, hindi pwedeng equals and ganito. Dapat yung teng-teng kaagad. BG color, then let's say our first page background color would be black. Okay. Then, of course, teng-teng, and then file, save. Okay. Then we put some font. We edit some font. Font. So this is the tag for font. Then size 5. Then color. Well, of course, our background color is black, so we need to highlight our color. So we put white. Okay. So the color of our text is white because our background color is black. So if we put our text black, so hindi siya ma-recognize dun sa ating page. So, face or style. Okay, font face. It is the font face or font style. And then, let's say, Vivaldi. Okay. Teng and close. Well, of course, this is our opening tag for font. Then, we need to close font. Okay. / and font. Every time you open a tag, you need to close a tag. Okay. Then file, save. Let's go to our browser. So this is my browser that I'd opened earlier. So you just need to reload your browser. Reload or click F5. Ayan. So say nasa ato pa rin say nasa kabila, nasa left. So gagawin nyo, we just go to your desktop. Every time you edit your web page, you go to your notepad. Okay. Then you just put center. Then center. Well, of course, you click close center. Okay. We'll see. And center. With / file. Save. Okay. And refresh, reload. So, papansin nyo, nandyan siya. Siguro I will change this one to Arial. And file and save and reload your browser. Okay. So, napapansin save, dapat ibaba natin. So, ang gagawin natin, if you want to move it down for how many lines, just put some break. Call that one break or next line. Okay, break. Kung ilang break ang nilagay nyo dito, so ganun din ang kanyang space pababa. Okay. Let's say we put some 5 breaks. Okay, this is equivalent to 1 space downward. Okay, 1, 2, and then of course save and refresh your browser. Okay. So this is my first page. Okay. Arial center. You can write the code like this. It doesn't matter as long as your code is correct. But I write it this way for you to easy access if there is an error on your HTML document. Okay. So again, file save, check your browser and refresh. So this is it. Okay. Now let's put some hyperlink on our page. Okay. Let's now put the link to the next page. Well, of course, putting a link, let's put next. Okay, then copy this one. Next, next page. Okay, next na lang. And copy the font and will of course the center. Control C, Control V. Okay, and next, and then copy this one. Control C. Okay. And then we're going to save this one. File save and refresh. Papansin dyan sa next. So we need to separate next from our text. So we put break, 3 breaks, Control C, break, okay. This is it. So this would be our link to the next page, okay. Now, the code for the link, the HTML tag for link, we have here A, the attribute A, and then href. Href, yung reference ng URL nyo. Okay, yung source ng inyong page. Okay? Lagay ko muna dito guys ha. So this would be your link to the next page. Ito yung tag na kailangan nyo para malink yung next page nyo sa kabilang page. Well, of course, this is our opening tag. Kailangan nyo i-close ang link na yan. Ang tag na yan to avoid error. Okay? ahref. So, dapat may source dito ha. So, source of your next page. Okay? So, sa loob ng teng-teng na ito. Okay? Source. Okay? File and save. And then, reload. So, dito na siya. So, our link now is active pero wala pa siyang connection. Okay? Pag naka-active siya, naka-highlight siya ng ibang color. So, pag i-overlap mo ang mouse mo dyan, so it will automatically change to a hyperlink button. Okay? So, ito active na siya. So, kung i-click nyo yan, so wala pa siyang connection. Kasi nga, yung source ng inyong page dito is hindi pa available. Okay? Later, lalagyan natin ng source ng inyong page. Okay? So, for now, vacant lang muna. Okay? Save and refresh. Okay, yan na siya. So, our link now is active but there is still no connection. Wait lang guys. Okay. Now, paano maglagay ng connection say? I've already prepared several pages so that we will not take time to make some pages. So I have prepared second page, third page, fourth page, and fifth page. It's up to you to code the second, third, fourth, and fifth page. Okay. So let's check first. So this is my first page. Okay, so first page, and then okay, wait lang guys this is my second page. Okay, the second page, let's change the first page to blue. Okay, first page to blue so that we have a different page color. File and save. Okay, then close muna natin. So our first page is blue with white text. So but our text is color. Just change this color to yellow. Okay. File and save. So this is our first page. So we have a blue background on the first page and the yellow text. Yellow text. Okay. File and save. Now let's open our first page. So this is our first page. The link is this one is highlighted. Color, let's try red. File and save. First page, okay, doesn't matter. First page, okay. Second page, so my second page is black and yellow text. Third page is white and black text. Fourth page is green with red. And the fifth page is red with white text, okay? Papansin nyo guys in your fifth page, you need to put back only, okay? Back. Sa fourth page, you have to back and next. Sa third, you have back and next, okay? Again, on your first page, you just put next. Second page, back and next. Third page is back and next. Fourth page is back and next. And the fifth page is back. So kung medyo nahirapan kayo guys, or kaya mabilis lang ako, you can always go back to a certain clip to review this clip. Okay? Kung medyo mabilis ako. Okay? So, It's up to you kung anong kulay yung ilagay nyo doon sa first page. Ito lang para makita nyo na iba-iba ang aking kulay pa hindi tayo malito. Okay? So first page is blue, second is black, third is white, fourth is green, and the fifth is red. Okay? So lagay nyo dito sa first page next, second page back and next, third page is back and next, and fourth back and next. Sa fifth is back. Okay? So it's up to you. Kayo na maglagay dito sa content ng pages nyo. Okay? Nabigay ko ng instruction nito. So bigay ko lang muna ang pinaka-basic kung paano gawin. Okay? Now let's proceed. So this is our first page. Now we will now link our pages to each document. Okay? Our HTML document to each HTML document. Okay? First, we link our first page to our second page. Okay? Now, we will now get the source of our second page. Paano gawin kunin ang source A? So, since this is the first page, okay, so kailangan natin ang source ng second page. Okay, kasi bakit? Kasi dapat pag next natin dito, di ba, dapat pag next natin lalabas ang second page. So, ang gagawin natin, punta kayo sa first page and then lalagyan natin ang source dito. Ang gagawin nyo, hanapin nyo ang source ng page nyo. So, di ba, punta tayo ng second page. Then, you have to right-click your second page and click Properties. And then, you copy, locate the location and copy the location. Okay? Copy nyo lang yan. Copy. And then, punta kayo dito sa inyong href, inyong attribute ng, dito ang link kasi, linking, linking tag. So, ilagay nyo dito ang source and paste. So, dito siya kasi nakikita nyo sa desktop, di ba? Ito, second page, ayan, user, mic, desktop, so user, mic. But, hindi pa natapos dyan ang lahat, okay? Kasi ang pangalan ng page nyo is secondpage.html, second page, then HTML. So, ang gagawin nyo dito, dugtungan nyo yan ng backslash, okay, second page. Kung anong pangalan ng second page nyo dito, kopyahin nyo yan, okay, to avoid errors, okay? Okay, Control V .html. And we're going to save our file and go to our browser. Well, of course, you have to refresh or reload our browser. Okay, reload. Ayan. Wait lang. Okay, pause. Okay, let's continue. So, this is now our location for our second page. You just copy the source, okay, the properties and location source, and then copy mo lang, lagay mo dito sa notepad mo, ayan. And then you click save. So napapansin pag na-save nyo na, ang active cell natin, ang active link natin ayan, sa first page yan. It's activated na. So if you click this one, okay, let's click this one. So idadirect ka niya ngayon sa second page. So successful ang ating linking process. So kung iba ko dito, so hindi tayo mag-back dito dapat dito tayo, okay? Next, okay, dapat pag nag-click tayo ng back, next, back. So nalagay ko na pala ang nito, linking process. So yun na. Next, back, back, next. So nag-next ako. This is our second page. So mag-next ulit ako. So this is our third page. Mag-next ulit ako. Fourth page. Mag-next ulit ako. Fifth page. Pag-back. So our hyperlink is now activated. So our linking process now is successful. Okay, next, 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 back, back, back. So successful na ang ating linking process. Okay, back, back, back. Okay, say, paano mo ginawa yan, say? Okay, well, of course, i-check natin. Okay. So, file, save. So, this is my first, first page HTML document. The notepad. Okay, this is the notepad of the first HTML document. Okay, first page. I'm going to open the notepad of the second page. Right click and open with notepad. So this is it, our second page. Okay, this is my notepad for my second page. Well, of course, the reference, the location of the second page is here. So just copy the location, the first page. So because nasa second page tayo, so dapat pag back niya, babalik siya doon sa first page. Okay? Na pag next niya, babalik siya doon sa third page. Pupunta siya doon sa third page. Okay? Okay, now let's open our third page. I know, sorry. Okay, let's open the notepad of our second page. And notepad. Okay, this is the notepad of the third page. Okay. Well, of course, sa back, kasi nasa third page tayo, so pag back, dapat babalik ng second page. Papansin nyo na iisa lang ang kanyang location. So, ito lang ang binago ko. Okay? Pares-pares lang ang location niya. So, dapat pag nag-save kayo ng mga file, dapat sa desktop lang para isa lang ang inyong location. Tsaka madali nyo siyang malocate. Okay? Tsaka dapat i-uniform nyo ang inyong file name para at least di kayo mahirapan. Okay? Okay, so pag next niya, you go to the fourth page. So, this is my first, second, third. This is my third HTML document for the notepad. Now we'll open the fourth. So this is the fourth page. This is the notepad of my fourth page. Ayan. Okay, ito yan. So kung nahirapan kayo guys, pwede kayong go back to the previous clip. Scan nyo lang. At least mag-gets nyo. Okay. So, kung yan, nasa fourth page tayo, file save ko muna. Well, of course, sa fourth, pag back nyo sa third, pag next is the fifth. Now, let's open the last page. Okay. So, pag open yung notepad, just right click and open with notepad. So, this is my fifth page. Okay. Well, of course, ayan na siya. Ahrefs, ayan, fourth page, back. Okay. Dito sa fifth page, i-back nyo na lang. Okay. Then, you can always close your notepad. And you can always access your notepad as long as you just right click and open with notepad. Okay. Let's test again our linking process. So, this is my first page and next, back. Okay. So, bakit nasa baba ang next? Okay. Guys, pwede nating itabi yung back and next dito. Okay. Wait lang guys ha. Sa second page, pwede natin itabi yung back and next. Kasi di ba napapansin nyo guys, second page, it's supposed to be na back and then dito siya magkatabi lang. Di pwede dyan nasa baba. Okay lang siya, pero parang awkward tignan pag nasa baba. Okay? We can fix that one guys. Ang gagawin nyo lang is, let's open our second page. Open with notepad. Ang gagawin nyo, para mawala yon. So, ulitan ko lang muna ang format. So, I guess mabasa niya pa ito. Okay. Ayan. Now, back and next. So, dapat magkatabi lang sila. So, para magkatabi sila guys, ang gagawin nyo is tanggalin nyo ang break. Ayan. Tanggalin nyo ang break. Okay. Center. So, save na muna natin. Tingnan nyo muna kung ano mangyari. Tinanggal natin ang break sa second page. So, nasa baba siya. Okay. Nasa baba. Second page. Ayan. So, naka-center. So, tanggalin natin ang center. Okay. Tanggalin natin ang center dito. Para isang center lang sila. File and save. Ibig sabihin yan, lahat itong back and next, nakaka-isang center lang sila. Now, let's go to our refresh. Ayan. So, magkatabi na sila. Say, paano maglagay ng space? Say. So, di ba kung maglagay ka ng space, paano maglagay ng space? So, merong tag para maglagay tayo ng space. Kaya tag dyan is ampersand and NBSP. Sabi niya, non-breaking space is equivalent to one space. Okay? And then, semicolon. So, ito guys, itong non-breaking space is equivalent to one space. Okay? So, pang isa lang ilagay nyo, file and save. Then let's go to our page and page. Ayan. So napapansin nyo, nag-move siya ng 1. So kung gusto nyo ng 10 spaces, so maglagay kayo na non-breaking space ng 10 times. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, kung gusto nyo ng space, maglagay lang kayo ng ganito, ampersand, NBSP, ibig sabihin niya, non-breaking space. Okay? Ito lang muna yan guys ha. So, this is ampersand, non-breaking space, or NBSP, and then semicolon. So, this is an equivalent for one space. Okay? So, maglagay tayo ng 10 spaces. Well, of course, maglagay tayo ng 10 NBSP. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. File and save. So, mapapansin nyo ngayon kung anong mangyari. Let's check. So, reload. So, meron na siyang space. Okay? So, kung gusto nyo maraming space, just type ng ganito. Siguro 20 non-breaking space. And, yan. Control C. I mean, Control S. And let's go back to our page and refresh our F5. Ayan. So, meron tayong back and next and next. So, ang gagawin nyo is lagay nyo lahat. Ganito ang gawin nyo back and next. So, let's check it out. So, isa lang ilagay nyo center guys. Ha? Kung nag-open kayo ng center dito, pwede kayo mag-open ng. Pwede ring isa lang ang ano nyo, ang font nyo. Kung same lang din ang font ng back and next, pwede na kayong hindi maglagay ng font dito. I-delete nyo lang yan. Okay, again, kung iisa lang ang font ng next and back nyo, pwede nyo nang erase itong font dito. Okay. Tsaka ang close dito. Isa lang ilagay ng font, tsaka the font, tsaka center. Ayan. Font, closing pala ito. Center. Tsaka isa lang ang yung font and center. Then lagay nyo dito ang center. Okay. At least isa lang sila. So, nag-open kayo dito, nag-open din kayo ng center. So, isa lang kayo. Kasi parehas lang naman sila naka-center. Tsaka ang font, parehas lang naman ang size. And then, you're going to save this one file and save. Let's check this one. And, yan. So, same pa rin, naka-center. Okay, now let's apply this one to our HTML document on the third page. So, ang gagawin nyo lang guys is i-copy-paste nyo lang para hindi kayo mahirapan. Okay, try ko ha. Copy-paste ko, right-click and copy. And then let's go to the third page. And with Notepad. Okay, so adjust ko muna ang font. Kung medyo mabilis ako guys, you can always go back to this certain clip so that you can review. Kung medyo nahirapan na kayo. Okay, so hindi ko pala dapat yan guys. Wait lang ha. Kasi iba-iba pala ang kanilang. Ito lang copy ko. Control C and then copy. Control V. Of course, erase ko ito. Erase ko ito. So, ayan. So, isa lang kanilang output. Center. Center. Yes. Wait lang guys. At doble ng center dito. Isa. File and save. Okay, break. Dito pala yan siya. Okay, file, save. Okay. Font and center. Okay. Font and center file. Okay, this is the second page. Now let's go to the third page. So, ganito kasi guys para madali lang siyang ma-detect. Madali lang ma-locate ang mga errors. Okay, kung mayroong mga errors. So, font and file and save. Let's check our third page. Ayan. Now, let's go to our fourth page. Fourth page. Right-click, open Notepad. Well, of course, adjust ko lang konti, guys. Ayan. Okay. And then, of course, copy the non-breaking space. We'll see. So, nasa fourth page na tayo, guys. Control V, ayan, and delete this one. And of course, I delete this one also. And file and save. And let's check our fourth page. Ayan, so back and next. So I guess the fifth page is enough, okay. Okay, let's check. Let's close everything. Okay, refresh. Okay, let's check our first page. Okay, this is my first page. Next, back. Okay, very good. Next, back. Okay, next, back, back. So our linking process is successful. So there's no error detected. So that's it. Your HTML document is linked to each other. Okay, they are linked to each other. So linking process is successful. Okay, so it's up to you what kind of text what do you mean this one, it's up to you what kind of text font you edit here, you put in your pages. Okay, just you can choose any font you like, font style, font color, and the background. It's up to you. Okay, so this is back next. So kung nahirapan kayo guys, you can always go back to a certain clip to review this video. Okay, so our linking process is successful and no error is detected. Okay, okay. So para naman dun sa ano yung nagsta-start pa. Okay, para at least makahabol kayo yung hindi pa talaga nakapag-start nung una. So mag-insert tayo ng ano ng tawag dito ng image. Okay, maghanap muna ako ng image. Okay, let's try to insert an image. Okay, wait lang guys. Trying to insert an image. Okay, how about this one? This is an image. Properties. Okay. No. Okay, let's try to insert an image so that yung iba na hindi pa talaga nakapag-start ay makahabol sa ating Control C. Okay, now this is our image. Okay, we called it. I will rename this one to image 1. Okay, make sure guys ang image nyo is naka-format siya ng JPEG. Okay, kasi meron kasi ibang browser na hindi tanggapin yung bitmap or GIF. Make sure lang na JPEG ang inyong image. Okay, to avoid errors. Okay, so I have here na JPEG image. And the name of my image is image 1. So I'm going to insert this image on my first page. Okay. Now, so open. So saan natin ilagay yung image? Hey, gusto ko dito ilagay yung image sa baba ng my first page. So paano natin gawin yan? Well, of course, dito tayo mag-insert sa baba. Okay. Again, let's open your first page. Right click and open and notepad. Di ba sabi ko, dito tayo sa baba maglagay, dito. So, of course, dito sa baba ng text, dito. Okay. Ano yun? This is my, okay, dito tayo. Okay. The HTML code for inserting an image is open bracket, imgsrc, ibig sabihin yan, image source. Equals, well, of course, ang value, ang URL ng inyong image. Okay. The image location. Okay. So, img, src, ibig sabihin yan, image source. Dito guys, hindi nyo na kailangan i-close itong tag na ito. Okay? Itong image to, hindi nyo kailangan i-close. Okay, so again, paano mag-insert ng say, ang location niya? So, dito nyo lagay ang source ng image. Okay? Source ng image. Okay? So, paano nyo gawin yan? Say. So again, pumunta kayo doon sa image nyo. So sabi ko nga sa inyo na lahat ng files nyo ilagay nyo sa desktop for easy access. Okay? Then you go to your image and right click and of course properties and the location. Then you copy the location. Right click and copy. And ilagay nyo dito sa image source. Right click and paste. Ayan. Well, of course, pangalan ng image nyo. So, pangalan ko is image 1. So, backslash image 1. Well, of course, ang kanyang extension .jpeg. Remember to put the extension, guys, kasi hindi yan siya mag-function kung walang extension. Okay? Ito mga extension. Okay? Image1.jpg. Okay, and let's go to our first page and let's save this one. And let's open our first page. Reload. So this is it. Na napapansin, masyadong malaki say. So paano liitan yan say? So ang gagawin nyo is liitan natin itong image natin. Gagawin nyo just put an image width and height. Okay? So idugtong nyo lang dito sa image location and space width. Well, of course, equal sign and value ng width. Like for example, we put 400. And then space and height. Equal sign and then teng. Let's say put 100. I mean 150. And then, well, of course, if you're done, you always need to save your HTML document file and save. Okay, let's go back to our first page. Refresh. Ayan. Paano yung say di naka-center? Well, of course, i-center natin. So, paano yan? Paano kayo nag-center dito? Same pa rin ang process. Okay. Control V. And Control C and Control V. Of course, file and save. Same pa rin. And refresh. Ayan. So, it is center. Okay. So, let's test again. So, ilagyan mo natin ng ano dito, space. Okay. Well, of course, if you want space below your text, so gagawin natin lagyan ng break. Like for example, put 3 space. Okay, asan yung ano natin, image. So, this is our image. So, you can always put some space. Save and will of course reload. Ayan. Let's try again our linking process. Next. Back. Okay, our linking process is successful. So no error detected. So that's it. I guess that's it for our linking process. For linking our HTML document to each other. Okay, linking the first HTML document to several HTML documents. Now again, if you want to save this file, if you want to send this file to my Gmail account, I want you to put all your HTML document in a single folder. Okay? Kunyari, ito lahat ang mga files nyo. So, gusto ko ilagay nyo lang lahat sa isang folder. Okay? Then new and then folder. My website. Okay? No, meron na pala. I know my first, just write your name. Okay? Then put all your HTML document, all your files in a single folder. Okay? So bago nyo send guys, lahat ng files nyo, ilagay nyo dito sa folder. Okay? And then, well, of course, before nyo send sa Gmail, ang gagawin nyo is archive nyo muna. And click nyo lang, right click and add to archive. And, okay. So, pag naka-archive na ang file nyo, you can send this one to my Gmail account. Or you can send the link. You can save this one to your Google Drive and send the link to my Gmail account. Okay? So, again, let's test our... Oh, no. Let's Control C. Let's test our HTML document. Okay, again, reload. Next, 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 back, back, back. So our HTML document is linked to each other and there's no error detected. So I guess that's it. Our linking process is successful. So thank you guys for watching. If you want to learn more, just comment on the comments below. Okay? Kung medyo nahirapan kayo guys kasi medyo mabilis ako, just review a certain clip of this video so that you can what you call this one, you can cope up with the this tutorial. Okay, so thank you guys. That's it for today. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe.